Now let's take a look at some of the pre-built templates we're delivering in supply chain management. In 25C, we are releasing a number of pre-built templates that you can use in supply chain management. The maintenance advisor agent retrieves service history based on the problem description in a work order and proactively searches documents such as maintenance manuals and provides recommendations as well as possible causes and troubleshooting guidance. The operational procedure advisor allows production operators, supervisors, and manufacturing engineers to refer to standard operating procedures related to safety, machine setups, or instructions during manufacturing. The AI agent saves time and effort of having to search through large documents by answering questions from a vast knowledge based on specific topics. The quality inspection standard advisor assists in referencing sampling standards and retrieving relevant information for specific sampling scenarios based on a large knowledge base that is typically in standards documents which are hard to interpret. This provides quick access and compliance to standards while defining inspection processes. The procurement policy advisor provides a seamless access to procurement policies, enabling employees to ask questions while creating a requisition. This typically lowers procurement support and training costs while ensuring policy compliance. It also enhances requisition accuracy and completeness with faster processing and fulfillment of requests. The purchase requisition status advisor enables employees to quickly access and get status on the requisitions as well as any items in the requisition lines. The supplier portal advisor provides seamless access to supplier-related policies, enabling suppliers ask questions in regards to supplier-related processes. In planning, the supply chain planning process advisor helps planners address questions such as the scope of their responsibility, as well as how to perform the daily planning tasks that are often complex, as well as including escalation processes based on enterprise policies and procedures. The responses are based on the planning process documents that are uploaded to the agent. The outbound compliance advisor allows users and provides instructions to ensure proper hazardous material placards are placed properly. This helps in verifying that the correct identification placards are in place prior to shipment, as well as ensuring placards meet the regulatory requirement for size, quantity, and placement. The material handling advisor provides comprehensive instructions to ensure adherence to material handling best practices, focusing on the safety and equipment compliance, ensuring that receiving agents use appropriate safety gear and material handling equipment. It also helps in proper goods routing, establishing protocols for accurate routing of goods, including specific measures to maintain required conditions. The goods delivery advisor provides detailed delivery instructions and restrictions for designated delivery locations. This helps in specifying prohibited delivery hours as well as ensuring deliveries are directed to the appropriate areas. The claims policy advisor helps consume applicable claim policy documents and provides contextual, intelligent responses to questions. It also helps identify out-of-policy claims and receive guidance on how claims should be handled. The AI agent enables a claim analyst to make faster, more informed, and more consistent claim disposition decisions. The sales return order assistant allows a customer sales representative to process returns rapidly based on return policies and providing the best return options, as well as automatically create return orders, saving the customer sales representative time in terms of processing orders. The sales promotion advisor automates the process of looking at offers and benefits for a given sales order and suggesting relevant pricing promotions based on the order quantity or value of the line item. It also recommends additional items that could qualify for the order and extra promotional benefits. The costing period close assistant helps in providing conversational help based on accounting checklists as well as close manuals as users go through the period and procedures. Costing setup assistant agent dynamically delivers tailored guidance within the different user interface sections as well as provides users with the relevant information to make informed setup decisions, hence ensuring accurate cost processing. In PLM, the product regulatory and compliance advisor helps design engineers and product managers adhere to specific policies and standards, typically housed in complex standards and regulatory documents. The agent takes in context the item attribute information and looks up the standards document, providing a more accurate compliance information to the user. Similarly, the Master Data Governance Standards Advisor allows data stewards to quickly check on standardized data policies as well as governance policies to ensure that the product data adheres to the master data policies set by the enterprise. The Workflow Policy Advisor allows change participants and authors to quickly get recommendations based on the change type, as well as adhere to CM2 workflow and configuration standards, making sure that the change order implementations are expedited as well as validated based on the policy. The Manufacturing Onboarding and Risk Assessment Advisor provides the ability for design engineers to quickly interpret the manufacturing quality policies as well as help validate whether a manufacturer is meeting the onboarding scorecard as well as risk assessment policies. And lastly, the B2B message processor allows in analyzing and reprocessing a B2B message as well as helps in resubmitting that message used in our collaboration messaging framework setup. With these pre-built templates, you can now expedite deploying AI agents and automating as well as helping users expedite their day-to-day business processes.